Okay, guys, so it's your boy once again and keep trading life. The market has been very unfavorable this morning. I was looking for the right opportunity because this one um, is more of the bigger account, so I needed to make sure I was entering at the very right time. Okay, so the market has been very hitchy this morning, and on the smaller account, on the smaller account. Okay, so I've been stopped out. I've already lost 6 this morning. All right, I lost the 3 trades. All right, but I'm still bullish on you. All right, because I feel that looking at the chart, or even on the 4-hour chart. All right, I feel that gold needs to be returning any moment from now. Because if you look at the other side, it's currently on a very huge, strong support area. All right, so I thought this point was going to be respected, but it kind of broke through. With gold, one thing about gold is that you're going to expect a lot of fake outs, so you should be able to give room for stop losses. All right, because the market will always have some very ridiculous spikes just to stop people out and then finally move in this direction. Okay, so it's the reason why I'm still um, currently on this particular market, but I plan to take my profit somewhere at 1720. All right, 1720. So this is a long-term trade. I don't think I'll be closing any moment from now. All right. If there's news, then I could expect that once the news come out, it's going to propel the market to move upwards. All right, in that direction. So let's just wait and see how it goes. Let's wait and see how it goes. All right, but for this account, I want to be more aggressive. All right, so I don't have any stop losses because it's gold, right? And euro USD these days have been moving a lot. There's a lot of volume in euro USD. Okay, and it has still been selling for a very long time. Okay, but if you look at the USD JPY, which is kind of correlated to euro USD, you'll notice that it has also gotten to its peak. So I'm expecting a reversal on USD JPY, and that is the reason why I'm bullish on euro USD. All right, the reason why I'm bullish on you, even though the market is strongly selling. So let me show you on the 4-hour chart. No, I think the daily chart, just so you know exactly what I mean. Okay. Okay, so all right, so guys, as you can see, yeah, you can see that that's a strong support area right there. Okay, so it looks like I've been stopped out again on the smaller account because I have my stop loss right on 1710.5, but not to worry. Like I said, because we have tighter stop losses, anytime we lose, you're only losing just 5 picks, 6 picks, but when you make the profit, you're making 1:3. All right, so there's no cause for alarm. But as you can see on the daily for USD JPY, it looks like it has reached the support level, so I expect this market to reverse anytime soon. And what that means is that we're going to see likewise on the how do you call it, on the other pairs. All right, so as you can see, like I said, it looks like I've been stopped out. Let's just check and see. MT4 is very slow compared to MT5. All right, so just bear that in mind. Is the reason why. All right, so like I said, guys, I've been stopped out again. Okay, so I've already lost 9 today, but then I'm still bullish. I'm still going to wait for the right opportunity to enter the market. So like I said, no emotions attached. Just keep your calm. Wait for the right moment and then enter the market. All right, thank you, guys. So I'm just going to pause and we'll see how far it goes. Thank you. I'm out. Okay, guys, so we are in the money. All right, and I don't intend to take the profit any moment from now. All right, because like I said, we already made some huge losses earlier on today, but then it's part of forex. Like I said, I intend to show you everything. Because I don't want to be showing you the profit side. No, you have to also see the losing side. And let's look at the bigger account. All right, looks like okay, so we have our prices way up there, so I guess we still have to wait and see how it goes. All right, so okay, guys, so let me just pick this call and I'll be back. Alright guys, so we're back again. Like I said, so I intend to hold this trade all the way up there. That will be my first take profit, and the second one, okay guys, let me just call you. Alright guys, so I had to take that call anyway. So back into business. So guys, you can see gold is already booming, it's booming, it's booming, it's booming, and we're already in the money also in Euro USD. So like I said guys, you have to keep it simple MNW patterns using 1 minute for our entries. All right, so we have very tight stop losses, okay, and that makes our risk reward ratio extremely high. So anytime we enter the market, we are looking at nothing less than 1:3. All right, 1:3. So I don't intend to move my stop losses yet. All right, I need to allow the market to move a little bit, at least halfway here, before I'm able to move it. All right, so anywhere around this region, 17.30 area, then I'll move my stop loss, because I intend to hold this trade for long, at least to the 17.21, preferably as my first take profit before we'll see how it goes, because it's a very strong area support, resistance area at the top here. All right, so let's wait and see how it goes. All right, let's wait and see how it goes. So that's it guys, so I'll be back. So we're already in the money, like I said guys. So if you like such content, please like and subscribe to my channel, and you can also contact me from the description below this video. All right, so I'll be back. Okay guys, so we are seeing opportunities here, but then I don't intend to take this trade. I want to make sure it's confirmed. Alright, looks like there's a W pattern, so I'll be getting ready for a sell on gold. Alright, but I still have to wait for the position to be confirmed before I make my entries. Alright, so I have two positions on the Euro USD, and so far so good. It's going so well. Alright, it's going so well. So like I said, I don't intend to take profit any moment from now. I might move the take profit a little bit way up, alright, and allow the market to move, alright, in my direction. So let's see how far it goes. I think I'm already past 15 pips, I think. Yeah, so let's see how far it goes. Alright, and USDJPY, I'm also looking for a sell opportunity with USDJPY. Alright, it looks like that has just been formed. Okay, I'm quite late on it, so let's see. Okay, so alright, so it hasn't yet been confirmed, so I'll just be back. Alright, so that's how we do it. We just keep browsing the market, keeping it simple. Alright, and let's check the main deal, which is the main account. Alright, so over here we expect to hold these trades for long. Alright, at least make $1,000 before we close these trades. Okay, so far you can see we are up by almost $300. Alright, so I have still not moving my stop losses. Alright, I still want to wait, because the market had really been selling for a very long time, and there have been a lot of hiccups here and there. It might decide to reverse a little, but maybe pull back a little into this zone again before it goes. So I could preferably take this profit. Alright, but I just don't want to be conservative this time. Alright, I want to give this market room to really move in my direction. Okay, so possibly if it moves at least 15-20 pips, then I might move my stop loss to break even. Okay, so that I'll have a risk-free trade. Alright, okay, so I'm still gonna hold this trade, and let's just wait and see how it goes. Alright, let's wait and see. Okay, so USDJPY seems to be forming gradually. I'm waiting for that small M. Alright, over here it's gonna form any moment from now, then I'll make my other entry. Alright, and USD, as you see, is already over here at a very top point, right, where there's a lot of resistance. Okay, so I think it's time for me to move my take profit a little bit high. Okay, because it's way up there, so maybe I should just allow the market to move. All right, just allow the market to move. So I'm not in a hurry at all, guys, like I said, to take profit. Okay, because I still believe the market is really going to move to the upside, so I'm still going to hold these trades. Okay, there's no rush at all. I'm not in a hurry, so I'll just keep it simple. Okay, so let's see if the M is yet to form. It hasn't formed yet, so I'll keep waiting. All right, I'll keep waiting. Remember, even though we know how the market really wants to react, we only expect the market to react and we follow suit. All right, we always try to avoid predicting the market, even though that is possible. Okay, but just follow the market wherever it goes. Just follow it and be taking
your profits as it goes. Okay. All right. So remember, all these things are normally hiccups. They're expected to happen, of course, because of this zone area we are having. Let me show you. Okay, so there's a lot of crazy stuff over here and a lot of resistance. This market seems to have broken structure. This one too seems to have broken structure, and that's the reason why we have this general move over here. All right, but the market is still definitely going to try to break this, and it's definitely going to do that. It's going to do that. It's coming to this point, the 99911 point. All right, and once it breaks through this high point, guys, be sure to know that it's going all the way up. All right, so let's just wait and see. Like I said, I know some of you would say, why don't you move the stop loss? Like I said, with forex, you just sometimes have to go all out. So I'm just gonna wait and see how it turns out. Okay, meanwhile, let's look at USDJPY. Let's look at USDJPY. Okay, the M seems to be forming, but it hasn't yet. So we'll patiently wait. Okay, and gold seems to have found a point where it's kind of being resisted because of this move over here. Let me show you. So this point seems to be what is causing gold. This crazy order block over here on the 1 minute time frame is what is causing all these hiccups over here. But if it's able to break through this order block, then we know that it's going to skyrocket, all right, all the way to the upside. This is a 1 minute time frame. Let me show you on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so this is where it's targeting, but I don't have any positions currently with a smaller account. Why? Because I've already made some losses with gold. All right, I think I told you about it today. You can see over the 0.02 I was a bit aggressive and I lost that, but hey, it's part of forex. I remember with what I'm doing, I have a very tight stop loss, so we have nothing to worry about. Okay, so let's just keep it simple and see how it goes. So I'm waiting for gold to touch this line over here, and once it touches line, I'll wait for a very nice W within the 1 minute time frame, and then I'll make my entries. Okay, so let's just go and check our Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD seems to be respecting this zone. All right, like I told you. But I know it's all these are just fallacies. It's definitely gonna go up. So let's see how far it can pull into this zone. All right, there's a kind of liquidity here. You might want to feel it. All right, and there's a very nice other block resting over here, but I still feel it's not gonna go to this point. I feel it's just definitely gonna go up there, test the zone again, and then break it. Okay, even though I'm seeing an M pattern, which shows me that the market is definitely gonna come into this zone, I still feel that it's not enough momentum to move it down. All right, so I'm still gonna hold this trade and see how far it will go. Okay, so guys, that's how you do it. It's your boy MQ Trading Live again. Like I said, still surfing, looking for an opportunity to enter the USDJPY market. Still seems not to have formed yet, so I think we'll still wait. Okay, so this week the market has been a little bit sketchy, if you've noticed, and I feel that to survive this week tells you that you're really gonna do it, and it's all about discipline. Just sticking to your rules. Do not be perturbed about how the market behaves. The market is definitely gonna move wherever it wants to move. Okay, you just have to stick to your rules and the strategy that you have applied. All right, so for me, I use simple price action, but basically I use the 1 minute for my entries using the order block, institutional flow, and then I look for M's and W patterns on the higher time frame to execute. All right, so that's how we do it. Guys. So let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes, because it looks like it has respected this nice support resistance point, and it will want to pull it into this zone because there's some kind of liquidity over here. It want to come up, but like I said, I don't feel there's enough momentum in the market. So let's see how it goes. And remember, Euro USD normally correlates with gold, so as it moves up, I know that gold is definitely going to move up. And remember, I'm waiting for it to touch this line. All right, this zone. Once it touches the zone, I'll look for a very nice W pattern resting on an order block on the 1 minute time frame, and then I'll execute my trade to the upside. Boom. All right, so let's check USDJPY as well, and let's see if we finally have a chance. Okay, so not yet, guys, not yet. So we still have to wait. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it plays out. All right, so All right, so we are in the money, but like I said, I intend to hold this trade. Remember, I've already withdrawn some of the money from the account. There's a reason why you're seeing this. All right, and I've made some few losses today because of gold. I lost quite a lot. Gold. I really used 0.02. I was a bit aggressive, but account can hold. Right, the account can hold. So this is how you grow smaller accounts. Okay, let's check the bigger time and the bigger trade. All right, so there's a bit of pullback, over there. You can see some pullbacks over there. The market is trying to reverse because of this sketchy place. It's resting on a very strong support area on a longer time frame. That's the reason why you are seeing this. All right, but as long as we are seeing a very nice bullish end on Euro USD here, let me show you guys. As long as you are seeing this, I can assure you it's definitely going to go upside. All right, so it looks like it has been able to break this point. So I know at this point that gold is definitely also going to respectfully move to the upside. All right, so it's going to respectfully move to the upside. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, so okay, so guys, you can see over here. All right, so remember, don't try to recover what you've lost. Just keep it simple. Keep it simple. All right, so guys, since you've already broken this point, let's see if this next order block can hold, because there's a very strong order block here. It seems to have broken the market structure. All right, and because of that, it's very strong. It's very strong over here. So I have my take profit right above this zone, but I feel that at this point it's still definitely going to break this. So I might move my take profit way up there. All right, because I intend to hold this trade. So look at this, guys. This is a very nice trade. You can see over here, right here. Okay, so it's gradually moving all the way up. So I might move my stop loss to maybe 1.00060. Okay, all right, so guys, that's it. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Guys. Let's see how it goes. Okay, right. So I'm gonna move my stop loss. I have to be fast about it, guys, because the market is really moving too fast. 1.00250, I think. I hope I got it right. All right, so I just moved. So guys, what did I tell you? Guys? Look at this. This is crazy. And gold is struggling. But I feel it's definitely gonna move also. So let's see. Already, we are also in the money over here. So let's see, guys. Let's see. All right, so USD. So at this point, like I said, guys, it's now safe for me to move my stop loss somewhere halfway so that I can save what I've made so far. So I'm going to 0.99 0.99870, I think. Let me check on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so I'm going to rest it right here. All right, so let me check. 0.99850 will do. 0.99850, 850 modify. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this one just a little bit up here, so 0.99776, so 0.99800. Okay, so we are in the safe zone, guys. So this your boy M Cube, trading live. Go in the smaller account, and then go on the bigger account. We are sitting at $320, guys. Keeping it simple, just keeping it simple, right? So everything you are seeing here is just a fallacy, right? It's definitely going to go up there to test that zone again. It's going to come and test this area again, all right? So let's just watch it and see. That was a little pullback over there. I'm sure if I use a Fibonacci, it will be somewhere around the 3250 zone. All right, so let's see how everything goes. So Let's see how everything goes. Alright, so guys, like I told you, you see the market seems to be respecting this area, so we are going to expect a little pullback into the zone to test this other block again. Alright, to test this other block again before it finally moves to the upside. So the point is, are we going to wait or we're going to take our first take profit? I could have taken the first take profit, but like I said, sometimes in forex you just have to just follow your instinct. Alright, so for me, I feel that this thing cannot really hold. It cannot really hold. It cannot really hold. So I might still keep this and see how it goes. If it's able to break it, then I'm going to move my stop loss way up here to protect what I've made so far. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let me check to the lower time frame and see how we are going. So you see, guys, this is what you're seeing right here. You see the market is definitely respecting this resistance point. This is how you spot very nice entries in the market. All right, so let's see. If I see any change in direction on the lower time frame, then I might be getting ready to take profit. All right, take my first profit. So let's see guys. Trading live MQ, so if you're interested in the strategy, it's just $100. Okay, you can contact me via WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. You can even send me a message here on YouTube, and I'll be happy to reply. Please like and subscribe if you want more of this. Okay, so I told you guys, what did I tell you? I told you the market is definitely going to respect this area because there's a strong order block resting right here before it decides to move up again. Okay, but it's definitely going to go up to test this level again. So let's see if it tests the level and is able to break it. There's enough momentum to break it, then it's definitely going to travel all the way to the upside. All right, so I'm still going to hold this trade. I'm not taking any profit anytime soon. So I think the best place to hold, take my first take profit 100101. So I'm just gonna edit and make it 101. So 1.00100, right? So that should be my first take profit. Did I get it right? Yeah, so I got it right. So this would be my first take profit. So let's just wait and see how everything goes. Okay, so gold seems to be flying now, guys. Let's check this account. Gold seems to be flying, guys. What did I tell you? This is clean. This is so clean. This is so clean, guys. I'll be back.